everyone, I am Harsh Kumar and in today's video I'll be showing you an app which I built while doing the 30 days of Kotlin challenge. This app's name is Track My Sleep Quality. The use of this app can be to track your sleep quality. Now let's have the look at the initial screen. As you can see, initially when this app is loaded for the first time, it has only a start button. No clear button is there. Once you click on the start button, it will start a clock inside this app which will keep the track of the time for which you have slept. The time will be stopped when you click on the stop button. As now I click the stop button, it will take me to another screen where which I have to rate the quality of my sleep. 0 is the worst quality and 5 is the excellent quality, so I'll take 4. As you can see that I have slept for 14 seconds on Thursday and the sleep quality was pretty good. So from here I can manage the sleep quality and see how much time I am sleeping. Now here is a clear button which clears the data in the room database, which is stored when we click the start and stop button. Once we click on the clear button, all the data is deleted, and in the bottom it shows a pop-up that all the data is not available forever. So yeah, that is it for this app. You can view many other projects which I have built on my channel, and if you want a detailed video on how you can make this app, then do comment it down, and you can connect with me on the social media handles given below.